The dope part about me, I'm a people's person. I don't necessarily care for people in the sense of I don't always want to be around people, but I'm good with people. I understand people because I allow them to show themselves and be who they are. And I adapt to who they are. And, I just make the best of it. So I've never been a person to complain. I'll put in the work. I'll do what I have to do in order to make it to the next level. So I just study people and what they do. And that's what I kind of did when I first started. Real young, and I told myself by the time I turn 30, if I'm not where I want to be in the promotion world, I'm just going to let it go, because I'm not trying to be 34, 35 and doing the same thing. So now I don't
People get stuck in that too, though.
Right, for sure.
So you got to know how to navigate.
So, I don't drink, I don't smoke, so.
You don't drink?
I used to when I was younger. But when I grew up, I was like, well, if I want to run a business,
Can't be drunk all day.
Yeah, I got to be able to focus and not feel sluggish. So I stopped drinking, and I just started kind of running the business side of it.
What was the positive effects you experienced from stopping alcohol?
Man, more energy, was able to think a little better. Yeah.
Is this like a permanent thing, or like every once in a while
I think it's to the point
what?
now to where like when I drink, it's not even like fulfilling.
It's not to get there to that level, anymore.
Like if I drink now, me and my wife
celebrate.
Yeah, me and my wife would take shots like for a birthday or something, or just us celebrating life. But other than that,
that's the thing. Everything in life has to have balance, right? You can't just be one-sided on everything.
Right, and that's what I was like. Well, I can't do this if I'm trying to make it here. So, like I said, the club world is dope, but now this world is where I'm really trying to be because it allows me even more freedom to just be who I want to be.
In the evaluation firm space, trading space?
Yeah, because it's just me. And then,
you're the boss.
I'll call my business partner and we'll bounce ideas off each other.
He trades too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hell, he got 1.4 million in funding. I got 400 right now.
Let's go.
So, yeah. So
I mean, that can change your life.
Right. So with the IM thing, he had approached me and he was just like, I could teach you how to trade better, bro. Because I was trying on my own.
He was already in IM as a mentor?
No. He left IM because
he wasn't liking it.
They didn't want him to be a mentor.
He was too tapped in?
I guess they didn't want him to put out winning trades. I don't know.
That's the thing, because every single person I've talked to about that, they said they took the signals and it's like they're losing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, how are you paying for this every month?
And you're losing.
And you're losing.
Yeah.
Like, what is the product?
And he wins, so it's like, why wouldn't you want him to be a mentor? So he ended up leaving the company and just started trading.
What it is? Maybe it's that they don't want their traders to actually like learn how to do it.
Oh no, for sure.
Because then they will just go on their own.
Right.
Then they don't need the company anymore.
Exactly. And they need that automated system.
They need them to stay in that level of beginner stage.
Yep. That's how the head guy got all the money.
Good and bad things though, because IML opened the doors for a lot of people to learn about trading.
It did.
Like when you walk into that room, 1,000 people in there.
Yeah, it was a lot of energy.
But a lot of energy, and you feel it though.
But now it's like, it sucks because all of those people kind of faded out, and I feel bad for them because it's like
they didn't have a good experience.
They didn't have the best experience, and now everybody thinks that Forex is IM. No. When I say I do Forex, they automatically think I'm
their company.
IM, and they were like, "You're trying to recruit me?"
That's the thing, yeah. Like it's like you don't have to sign anyone up. No. It's like they combine that. Yeah.
So like some of the guys that were like chairmen with the company, I tried to get them to come over and look at this because it's like if you know how to trade a little bit.
To look at TFT?
Yeah, because I love this company.
What did they say?
I got burned by a couple of prop firms, and
for sure. Just like the crypto, sending crypto. You're trying to send your crypto out, and then you think it's the support team, and it's some fucking scammer from Discord. Is like
some of them actually let me pass the challenge and everything, and I'm like, "Where's my payout? $10,000 payout missing." Another one I had like a $6,000 payout.
What was the reason in the email? They didn't even email you back?
Customer service sucked. So once I got with you guys and just the small 232 days ago.
Literally. Damn, so you haven't even blown the account from day one?
No. I only been trading Forex for maybe a year and a half.
What pair?
So I love gold. That's where I make most of my money because gold makes the most moves in a day. You could catch $5 moves all day long.
So you're not holding that long. You're just taking little parts.
It's not scalping, but it's kind of like scalping, you know. But I also like Nas 100. Friday, I caught a nice little play.
I love Nas. Friday.
I caught that buy.
I don't trade Fridays, but I looked at the chart. I see that green. I'm like,
yeah, nah. Friday.
Damn.
Friday was a good day. I did $7K this past Friday. Walking a pedicure manicure.